should have left here.
Sunny.
Well, ordinarily we shouldn't be seeking an injunction. But the event that we are struggling to be part of, I mean my client, struggling to be part of, will take place tomorrow. But in the course of it, I believe all of you know what happened to him. The man went for screening, and instead of being allowed to be screened, he was weeks away from the screening venue, and every step to get them to see reason to screen him failed. Even when he wrote an appeal to the appeal panel for screening, no response. And we were hoping that the reasoning will prevail so that they will screen him somehow. Or if they don't screen him, deem him as having been screened. This is a man who had been in the House of Assembly of the state, currently in the Federal House of Representatives. So you cannot say that such a man is not qualified. So maybe that's why they know that they cannot disqualify him, but they stopped him from being screened. Now you cannot just do whatever you like. You can't just do what you like and walk away. You can't beat a child and say you should not cry. So he has come to court. Court, rescue me. This is what is happening to me. I'm being oppressed. Court, look into this matter. That's why we are here. And
so what is the position of the court on this matter today?
The position of we have taken our arguments. All arguments of both sides, all sides have been taken. We moved a motion, and yesterday we were here. The court directed that they be put on notice. I mean, PDP and INEC be put on notice to come and show cause why our application should not be granted ex parte. Now, today they have come. They have all filed their processes, and because of the urgency of the matter was taken today, and is adjourned for ruling tomorrow. So, by the grace of God, by tomorrow morning, we will know the results.
But we understand the exercise is already ongoing.
The exercise is not ongoing. The exercise is for tomorrow.
You raised a weighty aspiration of conniver.
Yeah, no. See, I don't want to be talking about the details of what I argued in the court. It would be unethical to do that. But if you look into the processes, you will see from the affidavit what our case is all about. So it's not my responsibility to let you know exactly the content of what we filed. But we are in court, and we are done from court. And ruling is expected tomorrow. My name is Selekowe Larry.
So let's start with your name.
My name is Ken Njemanze S.A.N.
So tell us what happened today.
Well, yesterday the Honorable Court made an order against the PDP and INEC, directing them to file affidavits showing cause why the plaintiff's application ex parte should not be granted, restraining the defendants from going forward with the primaries scheduled for the 26th day of May this year. So we are in court today. We filed our affidavits showing cause. Also, we've equally filed a motion challenging jurisdiction of the court to hear this matter. So the matter came up today, and the court took the motion ex parte and equally had us on the issue of the affidavit to show cause and issue of jurisdiction. Basically, we are saying clearly that the plaintiff who is before the court was never cleared by PDP. He was never screened. He never participated in the process, except probably, according to him, buying the forms from PDP. So, by our law, which we know, he doesn't have the local standard to file an action in court. and this court doesn't have the jurisdiction to entertain his action. So that's their main presentation and other presentations. So these are contentions, and the court heard us today and decided to adjourn the matter to tomorrow for ruling. So we'll be back here tomorrow by 10 a.m. to hear His Lordship deliver his ruling. Thank you. Yes. No. I cannot start going into details of what is before the court. I can't discuss such things. We've made our submissions before the court. It's for the court to decide whatever it is. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.